we got a whole bunch of welding here done. As you can see, our plates are fully welded in. Our seam in the back, the whole seam there is fully welded. It's welded on this side and ground, and then welded from the back side as well. I didn't grind the back side yet, but we'll get there. Now, I did have a problem when I put the bed on. I do believe I mentioned it, but I'm not sure I explained it very well. So let's go over what that issue is. Okay, so we have this factory hump here. You can see it on this side over here. And the bed rail, or the crossbar under the bed, hits just on this downslope right here. And we need to drop this thing about 1 inch. So it hits there and it hits right here. So instead of cutting this whole entire thing out and not leaving very much of a cross section in here, my plan is to cut off just from this white line all the way over, and then just from this white line all the way over, so that will recess those crossbars down into that section, and then I can build my plate underneath to be the right height for the body mount. Now, if that's not enough, I can always come back in and try and trim off just a bit of this upper area. I think we're gonna be okay, but whatever. So first things first, we're gonna cut these 2 sections out on each side. We're gonna put the bed back on and just see if we can get that body line to get damn close to where we want it. If that's a win, we're done with this thing for tonight. So it is really late. It's almost 3:30 now, and I want to get this done and the bed sitting back on here, at least able to get to the proper height. If anything, I'd rather it be a little bit low, so that we can come back out, maybe not tomorrow, but whatever. The next time we come back out, we can start going with this thing. So that's the plan. That's what we're doing. Without further ado, let's get to cutting. Well, we got her done. So as you can see here, we got our little notch out, and one there and one there. So we're gonna sweep up all this mess on the floor here, and then we're gonna try and throw this bed back on and see how lucky we get. All right, let's get her done. So let's take a quick peek at what we got here. So as you can see, I can stick my hand right around this cross member. So that's gonna give us lots of room to be able to make a flat plate at the right height to get our body mount in there, so that the body line here and the body line here line up. Now, I just have a 2x4 stuck in the front of the bed so it doesn't want to fall forward. So I understand that body line's a little bit off, but as you saw, we have the room to put it wherever we need now. So I think we're good. If we look up in here real quick, we got about 1 inch between the top of the hump and the bed. So as long as we don't have to go down more than another inch, which we don't because we're right close to that body line, I think we'll be good to go with leaving the top of that frame rail in there, and then we can just box it all in and get some strength back. Anywho, so this video here has been a heck of a lot of time lapse. I don't know, I've been out here a long time. Grinding, welding, adjusting, whatever. And something that had to be done, you know? I guess it's not that fun to watch, but it is what it is. All right, so we got a couple parts to take off the Trans Am that are going to get modified, so I'm gonna do that. I got a couple tires to put on another thing, and then I'm going in to call it a night, I guess morning, because I'm only gonna get about an hour or so of sleep tonight. So, anywho, hope you guys had a great night, and I will probably catch you like that when I get some sleep. Take it easy.